Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Canva to generate AI marketing assets. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Canva website. Log in to your Canva account. Once logged in, click on the Create a Design button. Within the Design dashboard, look for the Apps option on the left sidebar. Click on Apps to explore available integrations. In the Apps section, search for AI Marketing Assets. Select the AI Marketing Assets app from the results. You may see an option to connect or authorize the app. Click on the Authorization button to proceed. Follow any prompts that appear to grant necessary permissions. Once authorized, return to the Design dashboard. Now, you can access the AI Marketing Asset tools from the left sidebar. Select the AI Marketing Asset tool to start creating. Input your desired marketing parameters as prompted. Review any generated options displayed for you. Choose the marketing asset that fits your needs. Customize the asset as necessary using Canva's design tools. Finally, download or share your completed marketing asset with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.